Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Using my waffle maker, I prepared this salami bread toast. It is one of the most simplest recipes that you can prepare, and that too on a very busy day you can prepare this and serve this as hot as possible, and everybody will really appreciate. So let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe. I've used salami. These days you get salami with mushrooms, you get it with chicken, vegetable, you name it. You can use any salami for this. I'm using chicken salami. I'll be using bread. Will require some cheese spread. You can use mayo. I'll be using cheese singles. So all these ingredients are easily available in all supermarkets and all the small stores. Now first what I've done is I've chopped the salami in half. So just slice it in half and reserve it. I'll tell you a very easy trick how to place this salami inside a bread. So if you have one waffle maker, you can prepare many breakfast dishes using that waffle maker. Now here I am going to spread the cheese spread. For both the slices I'll use the cheese spread. Once the spread is applied on the bread, I have started to arrange the salami. You can see how easily I am assembling the salami. So this way the salami will be intact inside the bread slice. So that's the reason I cut it into half. Now I'll place the cheese single. You can use any veggies also in this. It's up to you. You can add tomato slices or cucumber slices. And place your other slice of bread on the salami, and now we'll start baking this in the waffle maker. I'm using a Prestige waffle maker here, so I'm very thankful to Prestige for giving me this Prestige waffle maker. It was a PR package. I have been using it and enjoying it thoroughly. So now all the specifications for the waffle maker will be listed in the description box below this video. I've shown many recipes using this waffle maker. I've evenly applied oil. You need not apply oil. It's already non-stick waffle maker. Once I've evenly applied oil on the waffle maker, I allowed it to heat up for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll be placing the bread sandwich inside and I'll toast it. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. Salami bread waffle is ready. You can see how crispy it is. Nice and crispy. Now I am going to be serving this as warm as possible and I'm going to be enjoying it. You can serve this with soup. You can serve it with tomato ketchup. This recipe I try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching.